Just woke up. Yeah, y'all see that picture? Thumbnail's real. Let's talk about it. Hold on. I laid back down. I'm gonna take a quick shower and then we'll talk about it. Bing bong, hello. Ooh. Welcome back. Bing bong, hello. Ha. Switch it up a little bit. Welcome back. It's a habit now. So, right into it. Ooh, this thing getting thick, yo. This thing getting thick. Yeah, we out here. So, unfortunately, the thumbnail is real. Okay, that's it. I mean, nothing more to say. Spawn is gone. The most that I can say about it is no injuries. Thank God, no injuries. And then also that there's no damage. Well, except for that. But that's it. So if anybody in Italy wants to buy, you know, Lexus Rcf for the low, hit me up. But I don't like, actually, I'm kind of glad that that's all I can say. You know, that's it. That's all I can say about it. There's still some things going on, some, you know, stuff that needs to be worked out. Anyway, damn, so I'm just, sorry guys, I'm just so excited. So yeah, and I don't like talking about negative things, you know, a lot. It happened, nothing I can do about it. But there is something that I can do, because now I don't have a car. But now, hold on. Japan, it was nice, it was fun, but oh, it's time to see what that's Mercedes is talking about. Germany, hit me up. Hello, C63S AMG. It's not even a full word for this car. That's what we're doing. That's why I've been doing the videos, how to afford the car of your dreams within your means, because I'm doing everything step by step. And this is exactly what I did the first time to get the Lexus. Now, normally, you know, it'd be a surprise. Hey guys, spread the word. Everybody subscribe to the channel. I got I'm not doing that this time. You know, right out the gate, Mercedes AMG C63. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I've been dropping jewels. You know, if you're on the Facebook, if you follow me on Instagram, what that sound like? If you follow me on the IG, okay, you'll notice it. The name changes, everything. And now, that's it. That's a good hat. You know, they make good cars. They made a good hat, you know. So we're gonna do that. I know everybody has their opinions about it. Guess what? It's what I want to do, and that's it. That's all that really matters. So this was originally, look, everybody has dream. God damn it! Come on, stop. Everybody has dream cars, and this was mine before the Lexus. But the only reason I didn't get it is just because I ain't trying to flex, y'all. I'm just trying to get ready for work. It's just because I didn't know about it, and I was already running with the Lexus. So I'm not mad about it at all. You know, Spawn taught me a lot. He taught me a lot about credit. You know, that's why I've been doing these videos, how to, you know, with the credit score. Like before, I was monitoring my credit, you know, I was like this, right? And then I was like, yo, it's game time. So I was like this. Hey, what's up, credit? What you doing, credit? You going up? Credit going up on a Tuesday? Let's get it. So I did that. My budget was on point. I did that, and I've already submitted the money to start the build. So this car, boy, I'm a repeat offender. This car is 100% customized the way that I want it. Now those details, you have to stay tuned. Those details, you have to subscribe to get those details. Okay, stay with me. Let's go. So it's 100% customized. I'm talking from the paint to everything, 100%. So stay tuned for that, for real. And then there's a lot of big things, like right out the gate. See, Spawn, I wasted a lot of time. But today, well, I got time, but I don't have the car. But when I get the car, oh, I have time. Yes, sir, yes, ma'am. And I'm talking dynos. You know we're gonna wrap it. It's some color schemes already working with some people to do some. Well, I haven't lied to you yet. I said I'm gonna take over. Look, I was on the way. You know, we were getting car invites, car meet invites. You know, Spawn is a big deal. It was a big deal. Spawn 2.0 though, reborn. Come on, let's go. So that's what we're doing. A lot of big things coming. A lot of big things. It's always big things coming. Oh, and another thing before, well, I'll show y'all that later. Doing a giveaway. Look that up, okay? A lot of big things coming for the channel. But that's it. That's what happened. It is true. All the rumors that you heard, well, I don't know what rumors that you heard, but it's all true. Spawn is no more. Have a moment of silence. Thank you, I appreciate that. Yeah, and Spawn 2.0 on the way. I'm excited. Y'all excited? I'm really excited. This is gonna be a busy summer. I'm about to blow it up. You don't want to miss the ride. Buckle up. Little Freestyle Friday for you. So with all of that being said, oh, them curls came back a little bit. But anyway, I'm sorry. I'm distracted. My mouth keeps watering because I'm C63S AMG coming up next. It's already in the works. I'm not. No, that's. It's too much. Two wells, one love. Stay tuned. Keep your peace. So excited. I got that. Woo!